mouse. So that's why I can't able to draw diagrams today. Please try to understand. Sir, now in the last videos, I think we covered very clearly up to 5 programs, right? How you can able to calculate minimum of 3 numbers. We discussed very clearly in our last session. So now we have to talk about the next program, which is nothing but program number, sir, 6. What is this program? Maximum of 4 numbers. We have to implement a program to calculate maximum of 4 numbers. Can I take this same logic? Yes, you can write the same program for calculating maximum of 4 numbers. Right. So here we are going to take 4 numbers from the user: A value, B value, C value, and D value. Sir, what we have to do here, you need to calculate which one is the biggest number, because you know this process very clearly, right? That's why I'm not explaining in detail. First, I'm going to check whether A value is greater than B, and A value is greater than C, and A value is greater than D. If it is true, A is the biggest. Otherwise, I am going to check B value is greater than C. Okay. Suppose if your B value is greater than C, and we have to compare that B with D also. If it is greater than, then B will become biggest. Otherwise, what will happen? We are going to compare C with D. If C is greater than D, then we are going to return C. Otherwise, we have to return D. Like we are going to read 4 numbers from the user and it is going to calculate. Sir, how to write in this expression? Sir, please don't draw anything on the screen. I don't know why you people are doing like this. Right. So, okay, no problem. So A is greater than B, A is greater than C, and A is greater than C. A is greater than D. If all these conditions are satisfied, then A is the biggest number. Otherwise, B is the biggest when if B is greater than C and B is greater than D. Otherwise, I am going to return C as the biggest. No. So we have to check again. C is biggest when C is greater than D. Otherwise, D will be the biggest. Like a big code we have to write, sir. So here first what will happen? The first condition is nothing but this one. If it is true, A is the biggest. Otherwise, B is biggest when if you compare the value of B with C and B with D. Sir, if it is false, C will be the biggest when if C is greater than D. Otherwise, it is, sir. So this same, so the same thing I am going to take here. Like this, we are going to take. So next we have to return, we have to pass by passing 4 values. So next and after that, sir, is there any predefined function? Same function we have to take by passing 4 values. And here I am going to read 3 numbers from the user. No, we have to read one more number, which is nothing but D. So now let us execute this code. Py space test.py I am taking. So I want to give the values like 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, you can able to see in all these 4 versions, it is going to return 4 as the biggest. Suppose if I am giving 1, 2, 3 minus 4, it is going to return 3. Suppose if I am giving 1, 2 minus 3 minus 4, it is returning 2. Suppose if I am giving 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, it is going to return 1. Like it is going to calculate. So biggest of these 4 numbers, sir. I think you people got very clear clarity how you can able to calculate biggest of 4 numbers. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but could you please tell me why don't you take the A is greater than B? Sorry, B is greater than A in
B
the
is greater
code?
than in the code.
Yes.
Uh,
As I'm seeing here,
uh,
after else you take B if B is greater than C and
mm,
B is greater than D, right?
mm.
But you don't take B is greater than A. Why don't you, sir?
Sir, in the first condition itself, we got a conclusion that A is not biggest number. See, first condition is checking whether A is the biggest number or not. When the control will go to else part, if A is not a biggest number, then only the control will go to next part, right? That means if A is not a biggest number can be anything among B, C, D, right? So that's
Right,
why
sir.
I'm comparing this B only with C and D, because already B comparison with A got completed there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes. Got that, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. I request everyone to please respond. Clear, friends, up to this, please confirm.
Yes, sir, completed it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sir, please try to understand. Today I don't have mouse with me. That's why I am unable to draw the diagrams. I will explain like this only. Please try to adjust today, because programming part only, right? We can enjoy. Now I want to calculate minimum. We will calculate later, sir. But I want to calculate maximum of 5 numbers, because continuation will be there. So in this case, what we have to do, we need to take other value, let it be E. So A is greater than D and A is greater than E means, then we have to print A as the biggest. Otherwise, B is compared with C and B is compared with D. If it is true, then B is the biggest number. Other, I am comparing the value of B with D, E also. If it is true, then B is the biggest number. Otherwise, I am comparing the value of C with D and I am comparing the value of C with E. So if it is true, so then which one will become biggest? C is the biggest, right? So otherwise, what we have to do? Else, sorry, not else. If I am comparing the value of D with E. If it is true, then we have to return D as the biggest. So otherwise, the biggest number will be like this. We are going to take. We are passing three values here: A greater than B, A greater than C, and A greater than D. In addition to that, we have to take A greater than E also. So B greater than C, B greater than D, and we have to take B greater than E also. So else we are going to print C if C is greater than D and C is greater than E. Else we are going to print D when if D is greater than E. Otherwise, we are going to print E. Like this, we are going to check. The same process we have to repeat here also. D comma E I am taking. And here we have to repeat that by passing these 5 values. Right. So next here also, we have max function is there, which will take any number of values and it will return maximum. So already we have taken up to D, right? Let us take E is equal to int of input, where I am giving enter E value. Okay, enter E value. And here we are going to take, we have to pass another value like this. Like this, I'm going to pass. Immediately what will happen? This code is going to work for all the 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Biggest is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5. Biggest is 4. 1, 2, 3. So minus 4 minus 5. Biggest is 3. So now I am passing. So 1, 2. Okay. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Biggest is 2. So now I am passing 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Yes, perfectly it is working for all the cases. This is the way how you can calculate a maximum of 5 numbers. I think how to calculate maximum of 4 numbers and a maximum of 5 numbers, you people got very clear clarity. Can you please confirm, is it clear up to this? Yes, requesting everyone to please respond.
Yes, sir.
Good. Right. Now my requirement is, what is the next program? Minimum of 5 numbers we have to calculate. So if you want to do this, first let me take minimum of 4 numbers. If you want to implement for minimum of 4 numbers, so we have to take minimum of 3 numbers program. Continuation will be there for this, right? Otherwise, we have to replace. Okay, no problem. We will try. Right. So here I'm going to pass 4 values, A comma B comma C comma D. Sir, I will use this IDE so that I can easily copy paste, sir. Right. So now what is my requirement? We have to calculate up to which one we completed, minimum of 2 numbers, maximum of 3. So minimum of 3 is also completed. So maximum of 4 we completed. We have to take minimum of 4, I think so. Yes, minimum of 4 numbers. Let us implement this code now. Sir, here already the program is there. Now observe carefully. I am going to pass 4 numbers. First, I compared A value is less than B and A value is less than C. And also I am going to compare A value is less than D. If it is true, A is the biggest number. Otherwise, I am comparing the value of B with C and I am comparing B with D. If it is true, B. So otherwise we have to take L if C is less than D. If it is true, then C will be the smallest, otherwise D. Here also I am passing D value. A is less than B, A is less than C, and A is less than D. Else B is the biggest when if B is less than C and B is less than D. So else C is the biggest number. So when if your C value is less than D, else we have to print D as the biggest number. I think same condition we have to copy paste, right? Same condition we have to copy paste, where in the lambda expression, but here we have to pass how many values? 4 values, and this is nothing but the condition what we have for this, right? So here also we have to pass 4 values, and here I am passing 4 values, it will become 4. So enter A, B, C, D values, and we have to pass these values C comma D, and here also C comma D, and here also C comma D, C comma D. That's all. Let's run this program. So 1, 2, 3, 4, minimum is 1. So 1, 2, okay. So 3 minus 4, minimum is minus 4. 1, 2 minus 3, 4, minimum is minus 3. 1 minus 2, so 3, 4, minimum is minus 2. Yes, all the cases are working fine. This is the way how we can calculate minimum of 4 numbers. So I want to execute the same code. I want to execute the same code, okay, by calculating minimum of 5 numbers. So how you can calculate a minimum of 5 numbers? Very simple. Sir, same here also. We have to add one more extra variable. I am going to take D comma E, and here I am going to compare A is less than E, and here we are going to return true. So otherwise B I am comparing with the C and B I am comparing with the D. So B is less than E. So C less than D and C less than E I am taking. So then C is the result. So if your C is less than, sorry, your D is less than E means then we are going to return D value. Otherwise we are going to return E value. This is nothing but what we have. And here also we are going to get one more number, return A if A is less than B and A is less than C and A is less than D. Even we have to compare A is less than E. Otherwise here we have to compare B with C, D and then E. Else C less than D and C less than E we have to check. Otherwise we have to print D when if D is less than E, else we have to print E. This entire story again we have to copy paste. So here additionally one more number and here additionally one more argument and here we are going to pass E. So here also I am passing E and it will become like this. So enter D and then we have to read E value also. So at the time of calling we have to pass one more value which is nothing but E. Like this we are going to get. So let us execute this. Sir, enter A value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, which is the minimum? 1 is the minimum. I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5. Which is the minimum? Sir, minus 5 is nothing but minimum. Suppose consider I am giving 1, 2, 3, okay, minus 4 and 5. Which is the minimum? Minus 4 is the minimum. Suppose if I am giving 1, 2, 3, okay, I have given, okay, let it be minus 4 minus 5, which is minimum minus 5. So 1 minus 2 3 4 5 I am giving. So which is the minimum? Minus 2 is the minimum. Like this we can check a minimum of 5 numbers by applying this logic. I think, sir, you people got very clear clarity how we can calculate minimum of these numbers. Can you please confirm everyone? Is this calculation of minimum and maximum from 1 to, okay, from 1 to all the values? I think it is very clear for you people. Can you please confirm everyone? Is it clear up to this, sir? I request everyone to please confirm. Sir, only few members are responding. I request everyone to please respond. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir, clear.
Right. Just wait for 1 minute. Right. So let us go for the next program. Okay. Subodh, only for few members I covered, and that is the demo session. Only few members for only few batches I covered that. So, okay, some add-on batch is there, right? In that, these people have not covered all these things. That's why I'm going to repeat. Don't worry, you are going to learn one more thing extra. Sir, don't feel that the time is going to waste because you have paid only 1,000 rupees and with that we are going to give the best content. So think in that manner and try to grab all the things whatever we are going to cover because in future we have so many things are there to cover. Okay, so that's why In the fundamentals, every day it will be common, sir, because some people may have expert, some people may in the moderate level, some people may in the very beginning, sir, they don't know some at least Python also. In such cases, it will be very useful. That's why I request everyone to please concentrate on the content. So now the next program is I want to calculate swapping of two integer values. Okay, I want to implement a program to calculate swapping of two integer values. Sir, swapping means what? Interchanging the variables or not? Yes. Sir, I am going to take a is equal to int of input. First, I am asking enter a value. So then I'm taking b is equal to int of input. So here I'm taking enter b value. Sir, I accepted the value of a and then b. Sir, do you know I'm going to create a function. I'm going to create a function. So like a swap version 1, where I'm going to pass these two values a comma b, and this function has to, okay, implemented in such a way that we have to interchange the values. In the version 1, I'm taking a comma b. Sir, very simple. Here I want to print. So first in the formatted string, you know very well about formatted string, right? So before swapping, okay. So before swapping, my a value is a and b value is a b. So I want to print one more message saying after swapping. So after swapping, a is equal to a, b is equal to b. Sir, here we have to write our logic. How you can write, sir? Basic logic is there, sir. Very simplest logic in the Python. That logic is nothing but a comma b is equal to, we can take b comma a. Automatically it is going to perform swapping, sir. If you want, you can see I am giving 10 and 20. You can see before swapping, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Sir, after swapping, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. Sir, like the values got interchanged or not? This is nothing but the first logic what we have. And this is the beautiful logic what we have in Python. When compared with other programming languages, so this kind of a facility is there only in the Python. I think you people got a clarity. Can you please confirm, is this a first logic? Is it clear for you people? I request everyone to please respond. Yes, sir. Right. So we will see other logics also related to this. Okay. So I am going to implement other version 2. In the second version, what I am going to do, I will define swap function version 2, which will take two variables. And here also almost same code I am going to take, sir. But only the logic I am going to change. Okay. Sir, please help to understand using third variable. Yeah. So here I'm going to implement version 2. So before swapping, and here, sir, I'm going to take one temporary variable. T is equal to A. Okay, sir, 1 second. I asked my friend to bring mouse. Just 1 second. Please wait. I'm getting that. Please wait. Yeah, right. Sorry for the delay. So now let us continue. Sir, here I'm going to take one temporary variable t is equal to a. So after this, I'm going to take a is equal to b and I'm going to take b is equal to t. This is the way how you can swap two integer values by using this temporary variable. So consider my a value is nothing but a 10 and my b value is nothing but a 20. Like this I have. So initially what I am doing, I am copying the value of a 10 into some temporary variable. So then I am taking a is equal to b. What is the b value? 20 will be copied to a, sir. So then I'm going to take b is equal to t. What is the content of temporary variable? 10, right? That will be copied. So before swapping a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. After swapping, your a value is a 20 and a b value is a 10. Like these two variables got interchanged with each other. This is the way how we can able to swap without using, by using some temporary variables, sir. Let us execute whether it is working fine or not. Sir, I'm giving same 10 and then 2. So in the version 1, this is the concept what we have. In the version 2, this is nothing but the concept. Okay. Sir, I think for you people, it is very clear how we can able to interchange the value between two variables by using this second logic. Can you please confirm everyone? Is it clear, sir? I request everyone to please respond. Clear
Yes,
up
sir,
to
it is
this?
clear.
Right. So the next concept, the next logic, what I'm going to take here is swapping of two numbers by using third version. So in third version, what we are doing, same program I am taking in third version. So in the version 3, before swapping, I am taking a is equal to 10, a is equal to a, b is equal to b. So in the logic, sir, I want to use addition and subtraction. A is equal to, I can take a plus b. B is equal to, I can take a minus b. A is equal to, I can take a minus b. This is nothing but the third logic what we have if you want to swap two numbers. Okay, let us see how it is going to work. Sir, consider the value of a is equal to, I am giving something like 3 and the value of b is equal to, I am giving 4. So what is the first instruction? A is equal to a plus b. 3 plus 4 will become 7, sir. What is the latest value of a? You can see here 7 is the latest value. Now I am taking b is equal to a minus b. What is the latest value of a? 7. Minus what is the latest value of b? 4. So your latest value of b will become 3 now. Next, a is equal to, what is the latest value of a? It is nothing but a 7. Minus what is the latest value of b? It is nothing but a 3. So 7 minus 3 will become 4. Sir, initially a is equal to 3. Now a is equal to 4. Initially b is equal to 4. Now your b will become 3. Like this we have. Sir, same concept you can use even by using multiplication and division also. Sir, in the multiplication and division, we are going to take a is equal to a into b is equal to a by b, a is equal to a by b. Like this we can take. Sir, here itself I will demonstrate that with other colors. Suppose I consider a is equal to, I am taking 2 and b is equal to, I am taking 3. So what is the latest value of a? How you can calculate a into b? 2 into 3, which will become 6, sir. Now, what is the value of a b? A by b. A value is 6. 6 by 3 means what? We are going to get 2. Then a is equal to a by b. What is the latest value of a? 6. 6 by 2 means what? We are going to get 3. Sir, now before swapping A is equal to 2, after swapping A is equal to 3. Before swapping B is equal to 3, after swapping B is equal to 2. Like these two variables got interchanged with each other. I think this addition and subtraction and multiplication and division both are clear for you, I think so. I'm going to take all these four logics. Let's execute first of all. I'm going to give 1 and 2. You can see, sir, here you can see there is one small problem is there. Have you observed? We are going to get, yeah, correct. Here, we can't take this single slash. In this place, better to use double slash. So now we will get or not? Yes, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. And after swapping, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. In all the cases, it is working fine. So I think friends, you people got a clear clarity how it is going to work. Can you please confirm any doubt in this, sir? I request everyone to please respond. Any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm.
No, sir, but if arguments get increased, then it might get problem actually.
Yeah. It is, we are discussing only for two numbers, sir. If you have
Okay.
three numbers, then we need to change the logic accordingly.
Okay.
Right. So next we have other logic is also there. I am going to take version number 5. What is the fifth version here we have is, sir, same like this. We can take the support of bitwise operators. We can take the support of bitwise operators. It will work, sir. So A is equal to A cap B. B is equal to A cap B. A is equal to A cap B. Like this we have. Sir, now see how it is going to work. Maybe the people who can understand this binary numbers logic, based on that it is going to work. Listen carefully, sir. Suppose consider the value of A is equal to, I am taking 5. Sir, what is the binary equivalent of this? So I am taking 8, 8, 4, 2, 1, right? 8 value is 0. So 4, 2, 1, like this we are going to get. This is the binary equivalent of 5. Now your B value, consider I'm going to take this B value as, okay, sir, something like 3, something like 3 I'm taking. So 8, 4, so 2, 1, like this we are going to get. Now we have to perform swapping of these two. Sir, what is the first calculation? A is equal to A cap B. What is the A value? First I will calculate A cap B. What is the A value? Sir, 0, 1, 0, 1, right? And what is the B value? Sir, 0, 0, 1, 1. Try to perform cap operation. Cap means what? What is the truth table of cap? If you have 1, 1 and if you have 0, 0, in these two cases, the result is 0. If you have 1, 0 and 0, 1, your result will become 1. Okay. Sir, here we are going to get 0. Here we are going to get 1, 1 and then 0. This is the latest value of A. This is the latest value of A. That means the value of A will become, so 0, 1, 1, 0, sir. Okay. Sir, now what will happen? We have to take the next instruction. Again, A cap B. What is the latest value of A? 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the latest value of B? It is unchanged. 0. So 0, 1, 1. So try to perform AND operation as a cap operation. Sir, it is 1, it will become 0, it will become 1, it will become 0. This is the latest value of B, right? So B value got updated to, so 0, 1, 0, 1. Now again I want to calculate A. Sir, A will become A cap. What is the latest value of A? 0, 1, 1, 0. So what is the latest value of B? 0, 1, 0, 1. Now perform cap operation. So 0 and 1 will become 1, 1 and 0 will become 1. Sir, cap operation. So 0, 0. So this is the latest value of A, right? So your A value is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 1. So what is its decimal equivalent? It is a 3, sir. What is its decimal equivalent? It is a 5, sir. Initially it is a 5, now it was a 3. Initially it is a 3, now it was a 5. This is the way how you can swap these two numbers by using these bitwise operators. I think friends, you people got a clear clarity how we can utilize these bitwise operators by using, I mean, swapping of two numbers by using bitwise operators. Everyone, can you please confirm, is it clear, sir, up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, requesting everyone. Santosh, please cross check. It is easy only. Just we are converting into binary. Please watch this video. Okay, again, taking from the beginning, maybe it is difficult. Okay, please watch this video. Nothing is there here. Just if you understand this truth table, rest of the things will become very easy. And don't worry, this particular logic, again, we are going to discuss in bit manipulation. There is one separate topic is there with name bit manipulations. There we will discuss. Maybe next week we are going to talk about that. There we will discuss. Okay. Right. So last version, I think I don't know whether it is going to work or not in Python, but let me try. So swap version number 6 I am taking. So here the logic is nothing but, do you know, B is equal to A plus B minus A is equal to B. Like this I am going to take. First I want to try whether it is working or not. First I want to try whether it is working or not. If it is working, then I will execute. So let us check. Have you observed something like it is telling? No, A is equal to A plus B minus, we have to take B is equal to A. B is equal to A. Cannot assign an expression. So better you have to put these things in a bracket. No, it is invalid. Can I assign like this? Yeah, because it is something like walrus operator is there. Enter A value 10, enter B value 20. Check the last two logics, sir. Is it working? Before swapping 1020, after swapping 2010, before swapping 1020, after swapping 2010. Yes, perfectly it is working. Sir, what is the use of this one? Here you can see, sir, my A value is a 10 and a B value is a 20 means. So you are updating A value is equal to A plus B. 10 plus 20 will become 30 minus B is equal to A. Sir, your B value is nothing but what? Sir, your A value I am substituting to B. Sir, A value is what? 10. That I am updating to B. Okay, that I am updating to B, it will become 10. So, but before that, so I am going to take this B. Sir, 30 minus 10 will become what? 20. So now your A value will become 20. Like these two values got updated. So it will copy the value of A into B, so that your B value I am going to subtract from A minus B. So like this we are going to get, sir. This is the way how we can swap these two numbers by using these. How many logics we covered? 6 logics are there. Okay, so in Java also I'm going to, yes.
Can you explain the sixth version, sir?
Sir, here we are taking A is equal to A plus B. Consider, so the value of A is equal to 1 and the value of B is equal to 2. So we are calculating A value. What is the formula? A plus B. Here A value is 1, B value is 2. So 2 plus 1 will become 3, right? Minus. So we are taking B is equal to A. What is the A value? 1. That I am copying into B. So 3 minus, here it value is 1, right? So A is equal to 3 minus 1. Your A value will become 2. Previously it is 1, now it is 2. B value previously it is 2, now it is 1. Like that it is going to do. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, good.
Sir, could you please tell me what is the purpose of the colon here?
Sir, it is something like walrus operator in Python, sir. Generally, when you want to assign a value, how we are going to assign a is equal to 10. Like this, we are going to assign, right? When you have a big expression like x plus y, so minus z, suppose consider I want to assign this value of 10, I mean a value to this z during execution. We can't write like this because the entire statement is going to be disturbed. But in Java and C language, we can write like this by putting the brackets, but it is not going to allow in Python. So why, what is the reason here? It is going to be specifically, we have to use this assignment operator separately as a separate expression we have to use. That's why they introduce called walrus operator. The purpose of walrus operator is nothing but it is used to assign the values within a single expression. In the expression, if you want to assign any values directly, then we can take the help of that. That means during execution, it is going to assign the value of A to Z. So that is the purpose of this special operator is there. Inside the expressions only, we are going to use this operator for assignment operation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, in this, first of all, if you consider the operator precedence, the bracket will be solved, right? First of all, it will take a brackets, then addition will be happen. Is that same going on?
No, sir. So no, it is going to take first addition. After that, it is going to be evaluated.
But it's performing operation only, mathematical operation, right?
Yeah, mathematical operation.
But
I
it
think
should perform. It takes a bracket. If you will if you will go for operator precedence, the bracket would be priority would be first, right?
no, sir, I think so. Not. Let me check in that aspect. If A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2, so A is equal to, you are telling this operation will come first. That means
Yeah.
your A value will be assigned to B. Then it is going to come 1. Then A plus B, A value will become 1 plus B value is updated 1 minus B value we are going to take. No, it is not going to work. I think so. Okay, sir, let me check with that. But I think we are getting the correct result only. So your doubt is nothing but we have parenthesis is having highest priority. First, this will execute, right? That is your question.
Yeah, that is.
I think left to right associativity is there. Maybe it is going to cross check. Okay, sir, I will check it once and I will update you.
Because finally it is assigning the value to A, right? Left hand side. So from right hand side, it goes to the value right to A. That would be the situation if you are as per as my understanding. I'm not. That's why I'm asking that question.
No. I think so. First, it will calculate this A plus B, sir. Whatever result we are getting, that will be subtracted from this. Okay, we will check, sir. I will check this priorities, all these things, and I will get back to you. Okay. Right. So I request everyone to please confirm, is this swapping of this concept is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I request everyone to please be on mute. Right.
Hello, sir. One doubt actually.
Yes.
Here you have written B walrus operator A. So what will happen is inside the bracket, B value. Can you show me the code, sir? Yeah. First of all, B value will be assigned to A inside the bracket, sir.
No, A value will be assigned to B.
Yes, sir. A value will be assigned to B, and from A plus B, A value will be subtracted from A plus B. So the first calculation will be done from bracket only.
No. Okay, sir. I will check, sir. I will check. Maybe.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Okay.
So this is the way how you can perform swapping of two integer values by using this one.
I think that operator newly introduced in Python.
Yes, sir. It is there in Python latest versions.
Okay.
I think, sir, from 3.7 it is there.
Yeah, from 3.7. So I am preparing videos on these Python new versions. So I will upload in the YouTube channel. Kindly refer whenever you have a time and forward to all your friends. Okay.
Sir, in which channel? Durga Sub channel.
No, sir. I have prepared one private channel, personal use. So here I'm giving this content. So we are going to give 100 plus pattern programs. We are preparing. It is not yet uploaded. So 100 plus pattern programs and especially string programs also. Some around 100 string programs and these Python new features, Java new features, and do you know these installations of each and every software. So these things we are going to upload from the next month. So every day one video will come. Kindly forward to all your friends and students and share the content. Okay, definitely. So I will share these links for you people once if the uploading got started. Okay.
Hello, sir. If you don't mind, can you go to that program? Actually, I want to clarify one doubt. Actually,
Hmm.
that Walrus operator. Sir, actually, here where is bracket is there? B Walrus operator A means.
Hmm.
I think, sir, A value is assigned to B actually, and whenever you are subtracting A plus B minus B means from A plus B, A value is only subtracted, and
Yeah, maybe that is also correct answer, sir. But I will check, sir.
yes, sir.
Because
For Walrus operator, the
no,
assignment gets
not only for walrus operator, sir. Even the same statement we are going to write in Java also. In Java, we are
yes,
going to
sir.
take
Yes.
like this. It will work actually. So I
Okay,
will
sir.
get
Okay.
back to you, sir. Definitely, I will concentrate on that. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Right.
Sir, have you created WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. Already WhatsApp group is there. If anyone is not there in the WhatsApp group, I request everyone to please save my contact details and send a message in WhatsApp 7386237319. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. If
Sure,
anyone is
Sir,
not
can you
there,
share in comment also? Means chat also,
yeah, sure, sir.
because
Definitely.
yeah.
Yes, definitely that RAM, correct. Parenthesis is having highest priority.
Yes, sir. That is actually the thing is.
Sir, I already pin you and the number you have shared me, but I think you have not added me.
Okay, no problem, sir. Just ping me one more time. I will add you.
Okay, sir.
Nitesh, you are there in both the Java batch also, right?
Yes, sir. That is going to over. I think that is over, I guess.
Yeah, correct. You have joined for Python also.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Tell me your feedback now as of now. Is Python is good or Java is good?
I think Python is easy for me because I come from data engineering background.
Yeah. Already we discussed this information in the beginning
Yes,
of
sir.
the classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct.
I mean, less code, easy readable. Okay.
Yes,
So
correct.
that's why.
Just cross check. I added you in WhatsApp. Just cross check.
Sir, please also add me in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I'm receiving the messages. Definitely, I will add. Yeah, I will add, sir. Definitely, I will add. Okay. Right. And sir, try to solve this problem. Absolute value. I think you know very well what is the purpose of absolute value. Suppose if I'm giving input as a 5, the output should be 5. If I'm giving input as a -5, our output should be 5. Of course, for that we have predefined functions are there. Okay, 1 second. Right. Anyway, remaining things we will discuss tomorrow. Try to implement this. How many possible ways are there for you people? Try to do that and we will discuss anyway tomorrow. Okay. Right. So thank you. I will upload
Sorry,
these
sir, but your
documents
number
in
is
few
not
minutes.
on the WhatsApp, is it?
No. 7386237319. Yeah, it
I
is
think
there in
so.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
It is there on
Students are-
WhatsApp recently. I texted sir.
Yeah, I have received so many messages. Yeah, please send your name
Even
also,
I also
sir.
pinged you, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
Can I send here my number? Could you please add?
No, sir. Just send me in WhatsApp, sir. Just save this contact and send this message. You are
All
from
right.
India only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same number. In the chat window, it is there, right? 7386237319.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, please share your names also, everyone.
Okay, I will do that.
Right. So thank you. Yeah, you people are giving messages now. Don't worry, I will add everyone within a few minutes. Okay. Right. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow, sir. Thank you, guys. Yeah, running notes also I'm going to upload now itself. Mukesh, you have not received running notes. For everyone, I have given running notes access also. Please cross check. Yeah, thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.